In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate PagePilot with your Shopify store. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the integration process with ease. First, you'll want to visit the PagePilot website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up your account. Having a PagePilot account allows you to access all the features needed for integrating with your Shopify store, so this is an essential first step. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the integration section of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of platforms you can connect with, but today, our focus is on Shopify. Locate the Shopify option and click on Connect. This action begins the process of linking PagePilot with your Shopify store. Next, you'll need to enter your website URL. To do this, head over to your Shopify store and simply copy the URL that appears in your browser's address bar. Return to PagePilot and paste this URL into the designated field. This step ensures that PagePilot knows exactly which Shopify store you're linking it to, so accuracy is key here. The following step involves entering your Shopify key. To find this, go back to your Shopify dashboard. You'll need to go to the App Development section. Here, make sure you tick the boxes for both products and themes. This action is crucial as it grants PagePilot the necessary permissions to seamlessly access and manage your store's products and themes. After you've done this, remember to hit Save. Once saved, proceed to install the app. After the installation, you'll notice that a token is generated. This token is essentially your Shopify key, and it's vital for the integration process. Copy this token carefully. Now return to the PagePilot dashboard and paste this token into the Shopify key field. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated PagePilot with your Shopify store. From here, you can start taking full advantage of the features and capabilities that PagePilot offers, using it to enhance your e-commerce experience and streamline your operations. If you face any issues during this process, don't hesitate to revisit each step to ensure all details are accurate. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, starting something new can often be a bit challenging, but with patience and careful attention to detail, you're well on your way to creating a more efficient and productive online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!